How to fix the issue where no audio device is installed on your Windows computer. So if you see an error message down in your taskbar that says no audio device installed, I'm going to show you how to go and solve this issue. Now the first thing you need to do is open up your start menu and then go and search for troubleshoot settings and click on this window here. You then need to click on other troubleshooters and then you'll see audio, click on the run button. You can then scroll down this page and it says, do we have your consent to run diagnostics? Click on yes. And then you can just go through the steps here to try and diagnose any issues with your sound. So it's going to say, did you hear the beeping sound? You can either select yes or no. And that's the first way to go and solve this issue. Now, if it doesn't work, you can open back up the start menu, search for device manager and click on this window here. Now click on the drop down arrow next to system devices. And then you'll need to scroll down to this option, Intel Smart Sound Technology. And you need to make sure that it's enabled. So if you see any kind of yellow hazard icon here, it's quite likely that this driver is disabled, and you can go and re-enable this by right-clicking and just pressing Enable Device. Now, if it's already enabled, then right-click on this and press Disable Device, and then press Yes. And once it's been disabled, you can then go and right click and you can just press Enable Device. Now, if it's still not working, then right click on this again and click on Update Driver. Click on Browse My Computer for drivers and select Let me pick from a list of available drivers. Now select this bottom one, Intel Smart Sound Technology Bus, and then go and press Next. You could then come down to your taskbar and you can see if your volume is now working. If you're still having an issue, then open up the Start menu, search for Services and click on this window here. Scroll down to the very bottom of the page and you should see a service called Windows Audio. Double click on this. Make sure the startup type set to automatic and make sure the service status is running and then press apply and OK. You can then right click on this service and click on restart. Once you've done all of these steps, open up your start menu and click on settings. In the left hand side, select Windows Update and then press this blue check for updates button. You just need to ensure that you have an internet connection. Now if there's any outdated software, then you'll need to go and install this now. You can then click on Advanced Options, click on Optional Updates, and you'll also need to install any outdated software from here as well, and then go and press Download and Install. Now once you've followed all of these steps, you can just go in, restart your computer, and that should have solved the no audio device issue.